Good morning, everyone. How are you all today? So, today we're going to be talking about cans and packaging. Cans and packaging. Sometimes our food comes in different boxes and cans and packages. So, as you can see, we have some pictures right here. Do you know the names of these pictures? So first, you see here, this is what? This is spaghetti, right? Spaghetti or pasta. So, but I want you to look at what is the pasta in? What is it inside? What is this? This looks like a what? Like a box, right? This is a box. So we look at number one, see? Box. So we would say, this is a box of spaghetti. Box of spaghetti. Let's look at number two. This is what? Do you know what this is? Sometimes your children like to eat it in a sandwich. This is peanut butter. Peanut butter. What is the peanut butter inside? What is this called? This is a jar. Okay, jar. Let's look at the word. Number two, jar. This is a jar of peanut butter. All right, let's look at number three. What do you think this is? This looks like soup to me, soup. But what is in the soup inside? What is the packaging? This is a can, right? Can. Can of soup. Let's look at number four. What do you think this is? You know what it is. This is milk. Milk. But what is the milk inside? This is called carton, okay? Carton. Carton of milk. Repeat after me. Carton of milk. In Canada, we get bags of milk, right? This is a carton. Sometimes you will find it in cartons, but normally we get bags of milk. But here is a carton. Number five. What do you think these are? What are these called? These are cookies. Cookies. Do you like cookies? So cookies come in what? Number five, package. Package. So we say this is a package of cookies. Package. Number six, what do you think this is? It looks like oil, right? Olive oil. What is the olive oil inside? It is inside a bottle. This is a bottle of olive oil. Number seven. Ooh, what we all like to eat sometimes. These are potato chips, right? Or chips. So what are the chips inside? They are inside a bag of chips, okay? And the last one, we see bananas. These are bananas, but what are they called? What is bananas that are all together in one big, what? What do we call it? We say bunch. Bunch. This is a bunch of bananas, okay? So I want you to look at these words here and try to complete the sentences. For example, number one, a blank of milk is $1.99. So you will see milk. Oh, and you say, oh yeah, this is carton. So you'll write carton, okay? So I want you to use the words 1 to 8 to fill in 1 to 8, okay? Okay, next, I would like you to do some matching. So right now, we got can, a can of, okay? So I want you to look at the word a can of and find me what food can I find in a can? Let's look at all the foods. Bananas, ketchup, toothpaste. Do we know what is toothpaste? Toothpaste is what you use to clean your teeth every morning. Eggs, yogurt, bread, toilet paper, soap, lettuce, potato chips, tuna, laundry detergent. Okay, so which of these foods is inside a can? Okay, think of, I don't think bananas are in a can. Not ketchup. Toothpaste? No. Eggs? Nope. Yogurt? Maybe. No, not in a can. Bread? No. Toilet paper? No. Soap? No. Lettuce? Of course not. Potato chips? No. Tuna? Tuna? Really? Oh, yes. I remember. It's called a can of tuna. So you will write K over here. Okay? Can of tuna. And there are some here that are different. They're not the same that we did earlier in this worksheet. But let's look at some of these. So we got bottle, you understand box, bar, a bar. Do you know what is a bar? A bar is, for example, like a square, like a small, let me give you an example. Bar is like this. Okay, this is a bar. All right, this is a bar. So a bar, what do you think comes in like a bar? Tube, what is a tube? Tube is like this. Right? It's like this. Tube. All right, this is a tube. You squeeze it. Okay. Bag, we know. Dozen. Dozen means 12. All right, 12. A roll. Roll is like a circle. Okay, this is a roll. I don't know if that's a good picture, but that's what it is. Bunch, we just read. Head. What looks like a head? What looks like a big head? All right. And container. Container again is like this. Ooh, not the best pictures, but that's what it is, okay? So I want you to match these things with the right container. Okay, after we're done this, let me erase this nice, beautiful pictures that teacher drew. Come on. All right, let's get this out and go to the next worksheet. Okay, so what I want you to do is I want you to tell me what are these things inside. For example, we have plastic or glass bottles, right? So here it says recycle your packaging. Recycle, you know what is recycle, right? Recycle is when you don't want to throw some packaging or packages in the garbage. You put it in the recycle bin. Do you see this picture here? It's a recycle. So the packaging for many items on your grocery list belongs in your recycling bin, not your garbage can. Okay? Follow the recycling guidelines as you use these items. So I want you to do the same thing. So here it says, yes, all of these things we can recycle. And no, these are the things we can't recycle. Okay? So what I want you to do is I want you to look at some of these words here, some of these words here, right? And give me the word that this food is found inside. For example, we have plastic or glass bottles. For example, in what we find water in bottles. Okay, plastic or glass, we say, it says jam. Do you know what is jam? Jam is like peanut butter, okay, but it's made of fruit, like strawberries, right? So you would see, oh, it says jar. So I'm going to write plastic or glass jars, okay, jars, jars, jars. Understand? Soup. Ooh, I know soup. We know soup is where? Soup is in number 3. It's in a can, right? So I would write here, can. So I want you to try that and fill in these words for this this paper, okay? Next, let's look at this one here. Ooh, do you see these pictures? Look at the groceries that Mi-yeon bought this week. Which items have packaging that she can recycle? Which items don't? Use information from exercise 1. Make 2 lists. Use your own paper. I want you to look at this picture and I want you to write sentences about which of these items can be recycled and which can't. How do you know? You will look here. So see here it says yes, recycle, no, cannot recycle. Okay, after you finish this, then it will be easy for you to do number 2. So let's look at an example. She can recycle the packaging for the bottle of oil. You see here, this is a bottle of oil. So you can say she can recycle the packaging for the bottle of oil. She can't recycle the bags from the 2 loaves of bread. Do you see here? These are bread. These are called loaves or loaf of bread. 1 is loaf, 2 loaves. She can't recycle the bags from the 2 loaves of bread. How do we know? Because we see here bread. We know plastic, what? Of bread, right? So these are loaves or bags, okay? So I want you to write some sentences about the rest. So we have pop, 1, milk, 2, rice, 3, jam, 4, tuna, 5, spaghetti, 6, frozen fruit, 7, this is ice cream, 8, and paper towel, 9. So I want you to write 9 sentences for these items, which is recyclable, which you can recycle, and which you can't. Okay? All right, that is it for today. If you have any questions, be open to messaging me or calling me. Okay? Have a good day, everybody.